Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use some materials from nature to create some fun crafts. So we have a lot of pine cones here, as you can see, and I just want to tell you that there are different types of pine trees and they grow different types of pine cones. So this is more a very common pine cone. It's a regular size. There's one that's actually much larger like that, but I don't have it here. But we have smaller ones. So this is from another type of pine tree. It produces much smaller pine cones. And if you notice these little small, tiny, like teardrop shape, they're actually the seeds that fall off from the inside of these pine cones. I don't know if there's more here. So anyway, so these are the seeds, and if you see like squirrels chewing up a pine cone, the bigger ones, this is what they're going after, the seeds inside the pine cones for the food. And these two are actually pine cones from a baby tree. That's why they're much shorter, like they look more like flowers to me. I guess they're still growing, so it's more rare for you to see. And we also have a acorn here. So this is what an acorn looks like when it comes off from the tree. And now it's hollow, and when you shake it, you feel some things inside. And lastly, we have these two. They look like wings to me. They're actually the seeds from maple leaves. So they usually drop from the tree like early summer or like late spring. Anyway, so enough introducing our materials. So now I'm going to show you what I'm making with all of these materials today. So I'm planning to make like a fairy with the pine cone, and this is the body. And initially I wanted to put the head on like this, but I think it looks too tall, or is it okay? Just playing with it to see. Actually, it might work, so I'm just going to glue it on. So for these pieces, it's better to use a glue gun. You should ask for your parents for help if you're very young, so you don't burn yourself. Make sure it just fit nicely. I'll put some more glue. And you have to hold for like 5 to 10 seconds for it to dry, to hold it in place. You need more time. Okay. So because we're working with natural materials, there are not the shape are all different organic shapes, or they are not standardized. That's why you have to play with it, like improvise, and that's what makes it unique. So here, I think that's okay. And I just want to see how it works with using these as the legs. Maybe should I use them as legs? just playing with it before you actually glue it on. It's like this is the designing process. Does it feel good? Does it look nice? I don't know. I guess I might not glue this on today because I want my fairy to have smaller arms and legs. Maybe I should have gotten some small sticks, but I don't have it here, so I'll just glue this at the back as the wings. Like I said before, these maple seeds reminds me of wings, so I'm gonna glue it at the back here. More at the top. Yeah. Because I also have some flowers that I want to use. But it's up to you how you want to create your character, or you don't even have to make a character. It could be just a random design, however you like. These are the wings, and let me see if these are good for the feet. Maybe just the tiny feet. Can use that as the tiny feet at the bottom. So I'm just pulling off some of the strings from the glue. Okay. So now for adding some colors. So flowers are also part of nature, and I just went out to pick these flowers from the field outside near my home, and all of these are wild flowers. So when you're picking flowers, just if it's wild flowers, you can pick. It's okay to pick them. Just don't pick too much. Just pick what you need, and because the bees and all the other insects still needs them. And you can also, if you have flowers inside your home, inside your backyard, you can use that as well. Just ask your parents first. So these are wild flowers. I'm not sure their names, but this is very cute. It looks kind of fluffy. It's very tiny. It's just on the grass. And this, I think it's like the flower of the clovers. It looks like they have pink and white. And I just want to warn you that, like, I don't know if you see a tiny bug here. So when you're picking natural materials, there's always a chance that there are some insects or bugs on the flower or even the acorn. So try to be careful, not just maybe pick another one or kind of shake it a bit, so just to avoid bringing it home, because I would just want to keep it at where it lives. I don't want them to like bring them to a foreign place. So I forgot to do that today, I guess. I did like look at it, but I didn't examine it too well, I guess. So I'll take them outside after this. And these are fresh, so they are still very colorful, and the shape is maintained and it's not dried. And you just start decorating it.